Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload high-quality photos and videos on the IMO app. Many users notice that their media gets compressed, and we will guide you through the settings so you can share your files without losing quality. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After that, go to Storage and Data. Then, look for Media Upload Quality and click on it. Here, you will see three options: Standard Quality, HD Quality, and Original File. To ensure that your photos and videos are uploaded in the best quality possible, select Original File. This will prevent compression and maintain the original clarity of your media. Now, every media you share on IMO will keep its full quality, making your memories look crisp and professional to your friends and contacts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.